Hey everybody, it's me, and today it's Wednesday. So, there are some new clothes, so we're gonna go check them out right now. Who is blind? This girl. Open up my inventory. Is this a glitch? Okay, and I'm kind of already in love with them. Like, not even joking. Baggy pants. Okay, maybe I forgot what I said. Like, I don't really want to say my star pins, but what can I buy? Me. Actually, me. Got the horse tack. I believe it's in here. Does this look good on him? Because blue is his color, and yeah. Okay. It looks okay on him. Maybe I need to, yeah, I need the camera angle. It looks like okay on him, but I mean, I would buy it. I would buy it. Sorry, I'm looking for something. This came out, thankfully. But yeah, anywho, I'll see y'all later. Bye!